Okay, good morning. I'm here at River Hills Country Club in Valrico, Florida. It is November 2nd, 2025. I'm gonna play 9 holes. I'm gonna try to shoot in the high 30s. It's a windy, cloudy day, and that's about it. We're gonna go for it. I'm at the first hole. It's at 328 yards, par 4. I'm gonna hit my mini driver. Okay, we're off. So today I made it out to the course just 5 minutes before my tee time, so no time to warm up. So I'm gonna play cold. Hopefully after the first hole or two, I'll start playing better. Hit my drive, my first drive a little left, but we'll see what happens from here on in. No excuses, let's go. Okay, got my 9-iron about 127. Kind of got a bad downhill lie here. See what I can do. Just punch it up there. Get close to the green. Close enough. Okay, get about 60 feet uphill for a birdie. Should break to the left at the end. Keep going, keep going. Still have about, I'm gonna guess 10 feet left. This is for a par. Maybe a little more than 10 feet, probably about 15 feet. Nope, I'm gonna have to take the bogey on the first hole. So I'm here at hole number 2, par 5, 502 yards long. We get the wind behind us on this hole, so hopefully I can get one out there. That should be all right. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, that was a 230-yard drive. Have about, I think it said 288 left. I'm gonna hit my 4 hybrid. Just try to get it down there. That should work out pretty good. So I got about 85 yards to the middle of the green. Leaving myself these tricky lies. I got a side hill below my feet. Leave, so let's see what happens with this one. Hopefully it'll stay middle right. 56 degree. Catch that hill and kick right. I think it did. I think it should be on the green. Okay, just off the green, but in a very good position here. Got this for birdie, probably about 20 feet. Get in the hole, get in the hole. Oh, okay. Par's not bad either. Let's finish this up. So we're here at hole number 3, and what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to break this up into 3 hole segments for these videos. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That way you don't have to watch the whole 9 holes at one shot. But on this hole we are 335, par 4, and dog legs right just a little bit. Again, we have the wind behind us. And I'm going to hit my driver. Turn around, give me a little draw action. Beautiful, just stayed outside the trap. Okay, so that was a good drive. That was 246 yards with the wind. Have 106 yards to the middle of the green, and the pin looks like it's in the back. I'm actually gonna hit my 52. Hopefully it'll be a little short. A lot of wind though, a lot of wind. It's not gonna be short, it might be right on it. Oh, it took a bad bounce. Bounce to the right. Still good, still putting for birdie. Okay, we have about 25 feet. Just gonna kind of go right side of the cup. Nope, not right enough. Oh, that was just bad aim. Know what I wanted to do. That's another par, so. We finished up these holes 1 over. So first segment, 1 over.